Hey y'all, Pandy here of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. I liked that last pasta salad recipe that I got from a fellow YouTuber's channel so much the last time that I went and got some ingredients to make myself another one so I can have lunch for the week. So this time I didn't add tomatoes. I'm not using the shredded cheese. I'm actually going with this natural feta cheese crumbles. I used a multicolored noodle. I used the robust Italian dressing. And I also used some Hormel mini pepperonis. And this is going to be my lunch for the work week, y'all. Just popping in real quick to say hey, let y'all know what I'm doing. Just threw this together, getting ready to take my work clothes off, take a shower, and chill on out. I'm Pandy of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. Thank you all so much for stopping by the channel. Over here we talk about hair, natural hair, as well as wigs and weaves, and a little bit of makeup. I do TV show reviews, and we also dibble and dabble with quick recipes for on the go. Alright, talk with you all later, and thanks again for stopping by.